can you install my car charger? Don't worry, mate. I'll sort it out for you. Let's get installed. This customer found me off social media and sent me a load of different photos, and I had to think of different ways to do it. So we got there and thought, that ain't going to fit in there. So on to the next thought. The next idea was to just go home. I'm only messing. The next idea was to go back inside and see if we can get a supply into there and then back out to the charger. We had to drill into the house, so we had a few things that we didn't want to hit. One of those being the cables going to the thermostat, so we got the cable detector out. After endless measuring and a cup of coffee, it was time to make the leap. We made a hole inside of the box, and then we made a hole inside the house. Time to core a hole into the cavity, and these Bosch bits are unbelievable. They go through anything. We're making quite a big hole because we've got to get the towels through here and also the EV charger cable. And look at that. Any holes a goal. Lovely. With all the scary stuff done, it's now on to the easy part, sorting out the charger. And doing the charger is a piece of cake, really. All these EV specialists, it's like just putting a socket on the wall. The first thing we done was mark off the floor to where we want the charger, and then we drilled through into the cavity using the SDS. It comes with this lovely bracket, so we just got to screw it to the wall with these 3 screws and some washers, and then we got to try and get the meaty cable through the cavity. Now it's time to get the Prysmian meter towels in. Did you know Prysmian do meter towels? Well, now you do. They're bloody lovely to work with, nice and flexible. That was just a simple case of just pushing them through the wall. Now on to actually second fixing the charger. We opened it up, drilled out the back so that we could put a gland in there, and then it was time to second fix it. And you guessed it, live neutral earth, as easy as that. Then we had to do some messing about with some CT clamps, and then once that's all done, we just got to plug in the front plate, screw it all up. Inside we put the new EV consumer unit in with the SPD, and then we just had to get the Magic Meter Man to connect it all up, of course. And that was job done. 1,400 quid, well spent. Lovely.